Monday, January 13th, 2020. And look at that one. That shoot's getting pretty big there. Made a video the other day. Bruce here, Mesh Grow Bags. Made a video the other day, but it got a little long and rambling, and I didn't focus much. But anyways, here's my new project. It's January 13th, like I said. And we just started losing our leaves off of I got 3 huge oak trees here. The third one, that one over there, that one's starting to lose all its leaves. So I scooped up and got a big, huge pile of leaves here. Dragged them over here on this big tarp I have and piled them up. And I put a couple bags of peat moss in there. Let's see what we got here. And moistened it up. Got my heat gun here. Got a little laser, see the little laser? And it says it's 73, it's warming up. 72, 73. Let's check our pile here. 81. So see, the pile's a little warmer. So what I'm doing here is I'm composting this aerobically. No, not like jazzercising. Aerobically. Aerobic. There's aerobic and anaerobic. Here, see the steam? Ooh, yeah, look at that steam coming out of there. 108 inside. I think I can do better than that. Let me dig down a little more. So anyways, I started out with oak leaves and 109. It was up to 116, but you just got to get a good hot spot here. 118, there you go. So, and I've had oops, what did I do there? I've had compost piles up to 160 degrees. And it's like a slow cooker. You're basically cooking everything in there. And after about a week, I can even, where'd my branch go? I got some branches here. There it is. I got a couple oak branches. Ooh, that thing's really warm. And I can digest that or decompose that stick or root or whatever it is to, you know, just crumble within about a week. So I started out with my oak leaves. Ooh, that's really warm. But that's not enough to get the compost going. I threw some potato peels and egg shells and that sort of stuff in there, but that's not enough to get it going. So I had to go get some, what do they call this? Stampede alfalfa cubes. And it comes in a 50-pound bag, and it looks like this. We got a little rain last night, so this stuff got a little moist, but I soaked a few of these, maybe 5 pounds of them, in some water, and I mixed that in, and that nitrogen and all the little microbial stuff in there starts that to cooking. And oh, there's a little piece of broccoli, and that's what makes your soil. So I stir this every day. Got to keep air going through it, and that's going to be my dirt. And then here's a bunch of membranaceous. Look at these. I got new shoots on them coming up all over the place. I got a few new shoots here and there. Some of these are a few weeks old. That's a few weeks old. Let me see what I got here. Of course, this D.Sinicus shoot, that's about a month old. That came up first week in December, so it's like 5 weeks old. And then none of these they're starting to lose some leaves. That one just fell. These are turning brown. Getting a lot of branches on here. Look at the branches on this thing. Like a foot long, branching all over the place. So I was hoping to do a split on that, and I was trying to do some air layering too. That's what this paper was wrapped around here with some dirt on this one, but it all kind of fell off. Getting branches growing on there though. You can see that. Get everything in the way. Little branch, little buds starting out there. There we go. You can see it. And that's all the exciting news I think I have. There's a pretty good shot of my purple, whoops, get past that. Those are my purple bamboo there, bending over, and well, there's a straight one. I cut top of one of these off, and I'm trying to clone some of these, but yeah, that's a nice shot of that. Again, tiny little leaves. And over here, that's the other one, that's the top I cut off there. This is an asper here, and this is a fairly new shoot. This is only like a week or two old. And then I got a new shoot coming out of there, right there. And that is that's a Sinicus there. And I put these over here in this open lot so they get a lot more sun over here in the afternoon. And there's my 20-footer I put in about, I don't know, maybe 2 months ago. Back in November, I think I put that in. And I've watered it a couple times, trying to keep it propped up there. It's looking okay. So I think that's all the exciting news for Monday, January 13th, 2020.